Hello guys, so today I'm doing a review on Cerave Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser for normal to dry skin. Okay, I heard that this cleanser is very good. So I'm gonna give it a try. Sorry, I've just climbed the stairs. I'm breathing so fast. So I'm gonna give it a try right here, right now. And by the way, this is not a paid promotion. This is just gonna be an honest review, how I do all reviews on all my skincare products. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Chika Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician, and this channel is about skincare, how to look after your skin. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe, and also the bell button. The bell button tells you when I upload new videos. Okay, and for my regular visitors, my regular viewers, I love you. Yeah, you know a good cleanser. Okay, when you finish using it on your face and then use your toner to clean your face, you know a good cleanser by the look of the cotton wool after you cleanse and then tone. What comes out of the cotton wool will tell you if this actually cleansed your skin or if it isn't. Okay, without wasting your time, let's start. Before you cleanse, use any cleanser. Let me take this reading glasses off. You have to wet your face with a warm water. So this is my warm water here. Let me sit a little bit backward. There you go. Much better. Now, let's do this. As you can see, this is still very full. 2 palms is okay. Now, let's go. It foams actually, which is good. Whenever you're cleansing, make sure you cleanse at least your face at least for 45 seconds. It feels really good on the skin. Time to wipe. I forgot to put my hairband. Cover my hair so the cleanser is not on my hair. Always make sure you wipe your face like 2 or 3 times to get rid of all the cleanser. Now, moment of truth. Make sure anytime you're using a toner, you wet your cotton wool. So as you can see, this cotton wool is wet. Okay. And the toner I'm using today is from Fab. It's salicylic acid toner. I don't use it every day. I use it like 2 or 3 times a week. Now, moment of truth. Let's see. Always twist your neck. When you're using a toner, make sure you avoid your under eye area because that area is very sensitive to sunlight and to skincare products. As long as it's not made for the eyes, don't use it. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look, there's nothing in the cotton wool. There's nothing. Look, there's nothing on the cotton wool. It's so clean. Because some cleansers, when you finish using them and then you put your toner, usually, you see a lot of dirt. That means it didn't cleanse your skin very well. But this one is absolutely amazing. Look, so is the truth. It does cleanse very well. It does cleanse very well. Now, I'm going to follow up with my serum. You notice that because I use wet cotton wool, that my face is still moist, because a lot of you sometimes ask me why do I have to wet my cotton wool. This is the reason, so that your serum, you put it on a moist face, and also your moisturizer, it will really help it to work better and stay longer. This is a good cleanse. Do you guys think? Look at my face. Look at that. Let me come closer. I like the glow on my face, and this is what happens when you cleanse your skin very well and when you use a good cleanser. So this cleanser, it says is for, where is my reading glasses? For normal to dry skin, but I think combination skin can use it because I have combination skin, and it has three. It cleanses, hydrates, and removes makeup without damaging the protective skin barrier. So that's the pH balance, which is good. It has 3 essential ceramides and amino acids and hyaluronic acid. All these are hydrating ingredients. Okay, so this is nice. Yeah, it's something. The price is here at the back. 15 euro, 15.05 euro, which is like 16 euro. Yeah, I don't know what that would be in dollars. So, yeah, and the instruction on how to use it is at the back. So, yeah, it's something I would recommend. And Cerave products are usually good. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want me to review any other products, don't forget to message and leave your comment below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like these videos, subscribe, share. Okay, I love you. Thanks for your support. Bye.